Hi, this is Samantha, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the StatRef Anatomy and Physiology Primal Database. The first thing you need to do is you need to visit our website. The address is carlsbad.nmsu.edu/library. If by chance you don't type it in correctly in the address bar, you can always just go to carlsbad.nmsu.edu and click on Quick Links and then Library, and it'll bring you right to our page. So once you're there, you're going to click on Online Research Tools. It's this black button. And scroll down to the medical area, and you have Anatomy and Physiology. So this is the Primal database. They're broken up in different modules, and then you have your Anatomy and Physiology, your Functional Anatomy, and your Quizzes and Activities. I'm going to select Anatomy and Physiology because I want to see all the modules that are available. And if you notice, there are apps for Android and Apple. I would like to learn about the respiratory system, so I'm going to click on that. On the left-hand side, you have your different topics. So if you notice, this is the intro right here. On the right-hand side, you have your learning objectives, and this is what you should come out knowing if you complete this module. And then you have all of your introduction and information right here on the bottom right. And this right here is your model, and you can use these arrows to get a 360 view of your model. You can just directly go over. If you need to zoom, you can use the plus and minus on the bottom. And you can actually, with the up and down, deduct and add parts if you kind of want to break it down a little more to learn whatever you're needing. So I'm going to go ahead and select this part. So this tells me this is a diaphragm. This is your cranium. This is your tracheal cartilages. So this kind of just helps you. Just by clicking, you'll know what the part is called. So I'm going to select under topics, upper respiratory tract. So now you have a different model right here, and your objectives are different. You have links that'll kind of take you in other areas that'll help you learn, whatever you're needing to. On the bottom, you have your more information, about the nasal cavity and all of this listing all on this side. And you can click on some of them, and it'll actually take you to the diagram, so you can kind of get an idea of what's going on and how to figure out, how it works. Let's see. So say if I clicked on nasal cavity or soft palates, hard, paranasal sinuses. So if you notice, the bottom is changing every time I click on something because there's information in every category, and it's really well organized, so it kind of helps you. And as was in the introduction, you can click on it and it kind of explains. It tells you what everything is called. And as I said, you can subtract and add different layers as needed. Let's see, there you go. And it just adds it on as far as you need to go. Keep going. Voice production. Okay, so this gives me the hyoid bone. And then it also has different learning objectives. Visible structures. You actually see the structures that are being shown, so that helps too. So you can go through all of these modules to kind of get a little intro to the different areas of the body. And you have this will open your topics pane. It'll open and close it. The A to Z is an index. So say I want to click on A, it gives me a bunch of different terms. So if I wanted to select Adam's apple.
Adam's apple.
See, it tells me how to pronounce it, because that's always very nice, especially in the medical field, so you can be sure and pronounce everything correctly, especially if you're trying to learn. You want to make sure that you say things correctly. This looks like it's a video, so I'm going to click on this.
Adduction of the vocal folds.
Okay, so I clicked on this video, and it's just 3 seconds, but it kind of demonstrates the adduction of the vocal folds. So it's nice to have a little illustration there. And then right here is your interactive learning. You have your introduction, and usually these are a lot of quizzes, and they kind of help, they'll help you kind of understand. And if you notice, it tells you to use your layers. It gives you the following structures. So as I said, you can add and remove. Okay, this one with the little bulb and question mark, this is a quiz, and it has like 1 of 3 questions. You can always ask your instructors if this is something that they would like you to kind of do to help you improve, you know, whatever you're learning, because this may help you. And so it's good to kind of just click around and discover the hand icon. It took me to some more interactive learning. So I'm going to get out of there, and then I clicked on the heart, and there's clinical and there's aging. So I want to do lung cancer since I'm still in respiratory. So if you notice, you have, you know, your overview, your causes, and you have an image here. And actually, they took a lot of these pictures using cadavers. So a lot of the images you're going to run into are live images. So hopefully this will help you kind of identify whatever you're learning. And on the star here, you could actually add something to your favorites, to your folder, save it to file, and load from file. So that's something that'll kind of help you when you're researching, especially if you need to go back and forth. You just create a folder and then, you know, save whatever you need to. And then you have your save topic text, and you can also save it as a PDF. So you can kind of print it and put it in your little binder, whatever you need to. And that's pretty much the basics of the Anatomy and Physiology database. And you also have your search here and your index if you want to quickly search for something that you're looking for. But I do recommend that you give the modules a try because it is very useful. If you have any questions, just come by the library. We're in room 206 at the NMSU Carlsbad campus. Thank you.